What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're gonna do AMP, guys. It's been highly requested, so I'm gonna do it for you guys, probably because it's gone parabolic. So we're sitting at about 12 cents. The market cap is sitting at 5.02 billion, 24-hour volume 330 million. Recently got listed on Coinbase on June 11th. Over the last 7 days, we're up 71%. So we're gonna hop straight into the technicals, guys. So we've gone parabolic. You can see we're overbought on the RSI. Now we may hit some resistance right here on the RSI at 85. Keep an eye on the RSI, guys, because you can see that was a previous high and we're trending towards 85. So keep an eye on that. That's where we may hit some resistance. You can see here on the daily, we're overextended, guys. We've gone parabolic. We've broken away from the EMAs. We're ignoring the rest of the markets, ignoring Bitcoin, Ethereum, and it's just gone wild. So here we have the bottom of this red wick was May 23rd, all the way up to where we are now on June 16th, which is a couple of weeks, guys. We've gone up basically 400%. So insane pump. Remember, guys, I always preach this on this channel. The harder the pump, the steeper the correction, and no cryptocurrency is exempt from that. So right now we're heading up to this price target, 13 cents, based off the Fibonacci pulled from this swing high to this swing low. These green candles are absolutely gorgeous. I will give you some shorter term levels of resistance. We also have a trend line we can drop in here where we might find some resistance as well. We're getting very close to it at about 12 cents, 0.1229. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here onto the 4-hour chart. Okay, so we're going to open this up a little bit. Actually, I might put it here onto the 1 hour. Seeing a bit of a red candle now. Let's actually put it onto the 1 hour chart. You can see on the 4 hour as well that we've broken away from the EMAs. And the bigger that this gap gets, the more of a signal that you're going to start to see that rollover. So I'm going to put it here onto the 1 hour. All right, guys, so we're here on the 1 hour chart. I'm going to take this Fibonacci out and I'm going to put a new fib on to give you some short term levels of resistance from this swing high down to this swing low. So here's a level of resistance for you guys based off the fib at about 12 cents, 0.1272. So keep an eye on that level as well. So I'm going to give you guys your levels of support based off of swing highs. All right, guys. So right here could be a level of support. You see where this green wick came up to? I'll put a little price target at about 11 cents. We also have this area here, the 1.414, in between the 1.414 and the 1.6. I'm going to put some price targets due to the fact that on the 1 hour chart, this is where the 20 EMA comes. So if we do roll and we're going to find support along the 20 EMA on the hourly, it would be in between 0.1019 and 0.015. Now we also have this swing high. We've had quite a bit of a pump. I'm going to put it back on the 4 hour chart. And many times when you see a significant pump, it will come back to retest support, to retest a previous swing high. So I'm going to drop this in for you guys as well. I know this is a lot of price targets and it can be a little bit overwhelming, but it's just how I do my technical analysis. And if we were to come down to that 9 cents, it would allow the EMAs to come back on the daily, because we've just gotten really overextended. Beautiful to see a pump. I mean, it's a fun ride, but like I always say, the harder the pump, the steeper the correction. So keep an eye on these levels of support, and I'm going to drop in one last level of support here for you guys. We may not see AMP come down to this level, but I'm always going to drop your levels of support because this was a major swing high. This was our previous swing high. We have these little mini swing highs, but this was your major one, your swing high and your swing low, and that's at about 0.078. So also keep an eye on that level as well. And if you see AMP continue to pump, here's your future price targets, 0.1272. And then we had the Fibonacci pulled from this swing high down to this swing low. That gave you your price target up here of 13 cents. So those are your targets, guys. Right now we're just in price discovery. You can see we're starting to have a bit of a red candle there. So I just make this video quickly to give you guys your levels of support and resistance. All right, guys. So keep an eye on these levels of support. 11 cents in between 0.101 and 0.105, as this was a previous swing high and a previous swing low. Could be a major level of support in this area. We have a previous swing high at 0.094. And then I want to make you guys aware of this level of support as well. You might not see us come back to it, but when you pump like that, many times what happens is you'll come back to the previous swing high and you'll retest it as support. And if you hold it as support, it's a beautiful sign of continuation here. And then we have those price targets if the pump continues, 0.127 and 0.136. All right, that's it for AMP. Little short, sweet one. Was highly requested, so I thought I would do it for you guys. All right. Enjoy the pump. Don't be hesitant to take profits, or if you're holding for the long term, just enjoy the ride. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Follow me on Instagram. Smash that like button. Follow me on Twitter. Subscribe to the channel. You can check out the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. Price of a coffee. Great way to support the channel. Totally optional. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.